What's the meaning of aquifer? Aquifer. Aquifer.
Aquifer. Aquifer. An aquifer is an underground layer of permeable rock, soil or gravel that can hold and transmit water. It acts as a natural storage tank for water and serves as a vital source of groundwater for wells and springs. The recharge and discharge rates of aquifers vary greatly and depend on factors such as precipitation, geology, and land use. Overuse or contamination of aquifers can have serious consequences on ecosystems and human populations that rely on them for drinking water and irrigation. Sustainable management and protection of aquifers are essential for ensuring their long-term viability.